What if you could turn back the clock on your skin? Not with expensive creams or invasive procedures, but with something already in your pantry. After the age of 60, our skin undergoes dramatic changes. Collagen production plummets, moisture vanishes, and cells can even turn destructive. But what if the secret to reversing this was hidden in 5 tiny, powerful seeds? First, let's understand the challenge. As we mature, our body's production of collagen and hyaluronic acid declines sharply. This leads to wrinkles and dryness. The skin's protective lipid barrier weakens, and a sinister process called cellular senescence begins, where aging cells, nicknamed zombie cells, actively destroy the skin's structure from within. It's a battle on a molecular level. Now let's arm ourselves for that battle. Our first ally is the flaxseed. It is a nutritional powerhouse, but its true magic lies in lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. Research from the journal Skin Pharmacology and Physiology shows that topical flaxseed extract can significantly improve skin hydration and smoothness. Eaten, its compounds help mitigate the effects of hormonal changes that accelerate collagen loss. Next, Chia seeds. These tiny seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. This incredible property translates to your skin. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they help strengthen the skin's barrier, locking in moisture and preventing the depletion of hyaluronic acid. A study in the Annals of Dermatology found that oil from a related plant significantly improved skin hydration in patients with chronic dry skin. Our third seed is the sunflower seed. Think of them as your skin's personal bodyguard. They are packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that patrols your body, neutralizing free radicals caused by sun exposure and pollution. These radicals are a primary cause of elastin degradation and wrinkles. Protecting against them is crucial for maintaining skin's firmness. Fourth, we have pumpkin seeds. These are a mineral treasure trove loaded with zinc and magnesium. Zinc is a critical cofactor for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body simply cannot produce the protein that keeps your skin firm. It also plays a role in the function of the epidermis, our skin's outer layer. Finally, hemp seeds. These provide a rare but essential fatty acid known as gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA. GLA is a building block for ceramides, the fats that form your skin's lipid barrier. A strong barrier keeps moisture in and irritants out, resulting in a smoother, more resilient complexion. Research highlights GLA's effectiveness in reducing inflammation and supporting skin barrier function. Integrating these 5 seeds into your diet is simple. A daily mix of ground flax, chia, sunflower, pumpkin, and hemp can provide the essential nutrients needed to fight aging at its source. It's a natural, holistic approach to helping your skin rebuild, rehydrate, and rejuvenate from the inside out.